about to enter.
You guys. Thank you. Here you go, sweetie. Get your hand stamped behind me. Right there.
Oh, how's it going, man? Alright, thank you. Alright, guys, so we just got to the show. Now let's go find. Alright, guys, so we just got to the show and it's pretty good turnout. It's already packed. Got people already over here checking out Hardex's car. There's got the RCs over here. And you know, always gotta be checking out Gustavo's whip too. So we'll do a little walk around and I'll show you guys more of how the car show is coming out. So stay tuned, guys, for this video. Should be good.
Gonna look around, look at all the cars with Jurgen.
What's up, guys?
I'm gonna put his YouTube link in the description.
RPM Garage Vlogs, guys, go subscribe.
Yeah.
So right now we're right here chilling. We're about to go downstairs, since downstairs they have another show going on right now. But I'm gonna show you guys more cars right here at Tuner Gallery. Then we're going downstairs to World of Wheels. Stay tuned, guys. Chair. So our boy Dorian just showed up. right now we're just chilling next to the car. We're a little bit tired. Right here with Harded. The show is till 10 p.m. today, and it's about 4:30 p.m. right now. So we still gotta wait.
A portable charger or something?
We gotta wait to pick up the cars out. But it's a pretty good turnaround. Last year it was a little bit more packed, but still a badass show. Stay tuned, guys, for more. Mini photo shoot of Dorian and his girlfriend. So yeah, unfortunately we didn't win anything. The travel didn't win anything. Dorian or Harding. Everyone's starting up their engines. They're about to start lining up to head out. It was a decent turnaround. It could have been better. Definitely, it would have been better if my friends would have won something. But thanks again, guys, for watching. Alright guys, so Sooner Galleria is pretty much done. So thank you guys again for watching, and stay tuned for the next vlog. The next vlog should be about the yellow evo coming out. It should be hitting the dyno pretty soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. And thanks again, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Holy fuck. The second thing was, I couldn't get it.
Damn.
Hold on. I have to like freeze it at this. Oh, I think I could get it if I like.
Dorian over here killing it.